like a star that can't wait for a night. I hate to think I've been blinded, baby. What can I see tonight? And the warmth of your smile starts to burning, and the thrill of your touch gives me fright. And I'm shaking so much, really. Why don't you show up and make it alright? Yeah, it's alright.
Let's do it. Not a five for my money. So when the weekend comes, I go get live with the honey. Rolling down the street, I saw this girl when she was pumping. I winked my eyes, she got into the ride, went to a club and was jumping. Introduced myself with low, she said, you're a liar. I said, I got it going on, baby doll, and I'm on fire. Took her to the hotel. She said, you're the king. I said, be my queen if you know what I mean. And let's do the wild thing. WildThang. Shopping at the mall, looking for some gear to buy. I saw this girl, she gon' rock my world, and I had to adjust my fly. She looked at me and smiled and said, you have plans for the night? I said, hopefully if things go well, I'll be with you tonight. So we journeyed to a house, one thing led to another. I key in the door, I go hit the floor, looked up and it was a mother. I didn't know what to say, I was hanging by a string. She said, hey you too, I was once like you and I like to do the wild thing. Wild thing. She loved to do the wild thing. Wild thing. Please, baby, baby, please. Posse in effect, hanging out is always hype. And with me and the crew leave a shindig, I'm with a girl who's just my type. Saw the special little frame, I ain't lying, felt shit was fine. This sweet young Miss Gold gave me a kiss and I knew that she was mine. Took her to the limousine and still parked outside. I tipped the chauffeur when it was over and I gave her my own ride. Didn't get her off my jock, she was I likes that and cling. But that's what happens when bodies start slapping from doing the wild thing. Wild thing. She wanted to do the wild thing. Please, baby, baby, please. WildThang. Doing a little show at the local discotheque. This fine young chick was on my jock, so I said, what the heck? She wanted to come on stage and do a little dance. So I said, chill for now and maybe later you'll get your chance. So when the show was finished, I took her around the way. And what do you know, she was good to go without a word to say. We was all alone and she said, Tone, let me tell you one thing. I need $50 to make you holler. I get paid to do the wild thing. Say what? Yo, lucky bust kid. Yo, walk you ready? Let's break out of here. Hasta la vista, baby.
the songs, the words she knows, June she hums.